Hi Milton, Computer Science. My name's Matt Ward, and Ms. Crow asked me just to say a couple things about my career and how it relates to computer science. So sad to say it, but it's now been over 10 years since I took Ms. Crow's class. I took AP Computer Science A from 2002 to 2003, and then I took AP Computer Science AB from 2003 to 2004 when I graduated. From there, I knew that I didn't really want to be a full-time programmer, so I went to Georgia Tech and I studied engineering. I finished up in biomedical engineering in 2008, and from there I decided I wanted to go into medicine, so I went to the Medical College of Georgia and graduated with my MD in 2012. Now I'm actually in Cleveland, Ohio at the Cleveland Clinic. I'm a resident physician in radiation oncology. So what does that involve? It's a little bit different than a diagnostic radiologist, or what you normally think of as a radiologist. So I'm the one that provides cancer treatments to patients who need radiation as a part of their treatment program. So every day I talk to patients and try to help cure their cancer with technology and computers. Throughout my career, I really have used CS at pretty much every step. And I really feel like CS teaches you a different way of thinking about the world. It really helps you break down problems and solve them in a logical, systematic way. And taking AP Computer Science at Milton allowed me to get ahead and to be successful at Georgia Tech, both inside the classroom and outside the classroom. So in the classroom, I went through some of the basic freshman level computer science classes pretty easily without a whole lot of extra work. And then outside of the classroom, I was actually paid as an undergraduate researcher as a side job, writing software to look at various methods of repairing spinal cord injury in a lab. And so even now, currently, even though I don't code full-time, most of my time is actually spent with patients and seeing patients, but my job does include heavy involvement in clinical research. So over the past couple of years, I've presented 9 abstracts at national scientific meetings. I've published 5 manuscripts and written 1 textbook chapter. And CS really played a role in each of these projects. So I would certainly say that CS today allows me to solve problems efficiently and effectively. So what do I do specifically? I use computers to design databases of cancer patients and to try to use what we have learned from them to improve our treatments for new patients in the future. And I also write software in a program called MATLAB that can analyze and interpret data from a database of over 2,400 patients. Certainly it'd be pretty tough to do these things by hand, so it certainly gives me a leg up trying to write software to do these things. So, you see, even though I'm not a full-time programmer, I would certainly credit a lot of my success towards skills that I learned dating back to high school. CS has certainly played a role in my career at every level. So I'd highly recommend AP Computer Science to students at Milton who are considering taking it. I'd recommend it to students of really any background, whether you want to be a full-time programmer or not. It certainly is beneficial to learn how to solve problems and how to step through difficult challenges, and it's certainly important to know how to understand and use technology, because certainly that's not going away anytime soon. So just want to wish each of you best of luck, and I look forward to meeting the many future successful Milton alumni. Thanks, Ms. Crow, and see you later.